Today, we are going to talk about the Etsy product listings. Yes, I know we have already talked about SEO. That was yesterday and it's super important, as I told you. And you please don't skip that step. Just go ahead and really go through your listings and optimize them, because that's free traffic, and free traffic means more customers, and more customers, of course, more sales, right? So today we are talking about the number of products you should have in your Etsy store. The point is, imagine you have a store in your local town, and you open the store doors, and you have 5 products in store. So even if people are coming into your store and they look around, what do they think? There's a seller who cannot afford to buy more products? A seller who doesn't want to sell? Yeah, what kind of seller is that who is just providing 5 products? Well, not a good seller at all, I am afraid. I'm sorry. But you need to have products in your store. I know it won't happen from day one, but please be consistent. You have to add new listings, best every day. 2 would be the best. You can save them on draft and put them in batches into your store, and then just release 1 or 2 every day. And that is the best way to get consistent traffic, because Etsy loves activity, like Google does, and all the other search engines, and Pinterest, and social media platforms, and whatever call it. It's all about being consistent. If you are consistent, that is half the things you can do for your success. Because when you are going to do that, when you are consistent, Etsy will notice that there's always something new in your store, and they're going to send customers your way. And that is what you want to achieve. You want to get more customers to your store. So, tip for today is create new products. Focus on that completely if necessary. Just focus on your product description, your SEO, and then focus on product creation. And if you do that and be consistent with that for best in case, let's say 30 days or 60 days, even better, then you can make a challenge out of it. Then you will have success on Etsy, of course, but you have to really go through that. I know it's most probably pretty hard, because creating products consistent, for example, if you still have a job or something, I know it's pretty hard, but you can do it. And I wish you lots of luck, and enjoy the process. It's not that bad.